All right, so let's jump right in. If you've ever built a headless Shopify site, you know how amazing it can be. But you've probably also hit a few of those tiny but incredibly frustrating little problems. Well, today we're going to talk about one of them, getting control over where your users actually go when they log out.
So just picture it for a second. Your customer's done shopping, they click log out, and poof, where do they land? Is it a thoughtful, helpful page, or do they just get dumped unceremoniously back on the homepage? You know, it seems like such a small thing, but that little detail can make a massive difference for the user experience.
And that really is the core of the problem. By default, Shopify just boots everyone right back to the start. But what if you want to send them somewhere better? Maybe a nice confirmation page that says, hey, you're successfully logged out, or even a page with some special offers to tempt them back. You want to control that journey, right? Not just take the default.
So, like any good dev, you decide, okay, I'm going to fix this. And you think, how hard can it possibly be? Famous last words. Because this is where the classic developer rabbit hole begins, that long, frustrating dive into docs and forums to solve what feels like it should be a super simple problem. I bet this sounds familiar. You're scouring the Shopify forums, you're digging through what feels like miles of official API documentation, you're probably even throwing prompts at ChatGPT, just hoping for a quick code snippet. The developer who actually inspired this explainer did exactly that, spent hours and hours just sifting through suggestions that didn't lead anywhere. It's that same old time-sucking cycle. And the answers you do find, they just pull you deeper into that rabbit hole. They're all about writing custom functions, wrestling with the Shopify API, and basically engineering some complex code-heavy solution. It feels like using a sledgehammer to crack a nut, doesn't it? It just feels like it should be a simple setting somewhere.
But what if all that digging and coding, was totally unnecessary? What if the real solution wasn't in the API at all? What if it was actually just a few clicks away, hiding in plain sight this whole time?
Well, the answer is a little feature called custom redirects. And here's the plot twist. It's not a core Shopify feature. That's why you can't find it in their main documentation. It's a feature built directly into the Smootify headless theme itself. A simple, elegant solution hiding right where you'd least expect it.
And you want to know the best part? Implementing it takes, and I'm not kidding, less than a minute. It's a dead simple 3-step process.
No, really, it is this easy. You just go into your theme settings, you find the custom redirect section, and then you literally just paste in the URL you want people to go to when they log out. That's it. No code, no API calls, just a little copy and paste, and your problem is solved.
So look, solving this one specific redirect issue is great, but there's a much bigger lesson here for any of us working with complex tools and platforms. It's all about where we choose to look for solutions first.
And this really says it all, doesn't it? The hard way involves hours of coding, debugging, and frustration. The simple way, the one that was there all along, is just changing a setting in a menu. It's such a powerful reminder to always check the built-in settings before you decide you need to build a custom solution from scratch.
And that is exactly what the developer who inspired this whole thing discovered. After all that searching, their big realization was, and I quote, "It's actually just a very simple thing in the headless theme." It's that perfect aha moment, right? Finding that easy button after you've braced yourself for a really complex fight.
So, the real point here is this. Before you dive headfirst into custom code or complicated APIs, just take a second. Pause. Thoroughly explore the settings and the configurations of the tools you're already using. More often than you'd think, that elegant solution you're looking for is already there, just waiting to be discovered. And that leaves us with one final thought to take away. This isn't just about Shopify. Think about whatever software, platform, or framework you use every single day. What other simple, powerful solutions are you maybe overlooking right now, just hiding in plain sight?